morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Friday morning, again, day before the weekend. So we are having a very profitable week here, very volatile, followed by many major economic events. Since Wednesday, we got green crude oil inventories on Wednesday, 2:30 p.m. GMT. So after that, Thursday, we got employment change in Australia, red one, retail sales in GBP, very green. That's why we saw a very big spike to the upside of the Great British Pound. And today, simply we have core retail sales in Canada, 12:30 GMT. So as usual, we start with Euro US dollar. So what do we see? Again, we spoke about the uncertainty and so unpredictable Euro US dollar. So started went down, after that reversed back, and we can see actually everything out of the Euro US dollar. We can see continuation to the upside to the next resistance or drop to the support level. So just that's why I'm going directly to GBP. What's going on with the Great British Pound? Yesterday went up with 130 pips and 1.2557 testing the resistance line here right now. And as you can see, is just a very low volatility this morning and trying to break to the downside, but quite obviously it's super slow. 1.25 is my support level, a very significant one because it is tested 2 times here, and also it's a round number. So let's see what's gonna happen with the Great British Pound. It can definitely test the next round number, 1.26, but for now I'm not gonna touch it. Australian US dollar, okay, absolutely beautiful breakout, 0.70469. Very well tested. We spoke about it. If we see breakout, it's a good breakout trade. If we see recovery to the downside, then we're gonna see just continuation to this downtrend. But broke out, decided to break out, and right now we can start looking for long opportunities. I don't really believe this is gonna be a false breakout, simply because it was strong enough, 30-40 pips above the resistance line, and this is simply our new support right now. For now, I'm not gonna put new levels on the Australian US dollar, just simply because I prefer to wait until next week. So New Zealand US, absolutely the same. Breakout of the resistance, 0.6719, and this breakout is even much stronger than the Australian one, 68 pips above the resistance. Right now we have this as support. I'm gonna delete all of these lines below that, just to make my chart clear. So I'm gonna leave only the support, 0.66719, and I'm gonna wait to see how the New Zealand is gonna react until then. USD Canadian, I'm gonna go first on crude oil. What is going on with the crude oil? Despite the green numbers in the crude oil inventories, so we saw sharp decline of the crude oil within the last couple of days. As you can see, for the last 3 days, crude oil registered $5.3 per barrel, which is, I would say, quite significantly, and definitely we can see bearish trend on the crude oil starting. Just it's a matter of time to see how the price is going to react below 57.29, our resistance level. It was a support in the middle of the week, right now it's resistance one. So just the market decided not to consume the crude oil inventory positive data according to the numbers, and this is the result, $5.3 per barrel. This is a big drop for 3 days, definitely. USD Canadian, what do we see? Crude oil is going down. Canadian dollar is supposed to go down with the crude oil. Okay, so these 3 days here we saw upside momentum, 66, but this is why I love trends, because USD Canadian simply is following the trend, and it's following it very clearly. So considering yesterday, considering this strong bearish momentum on this candle, definitely we can see continuation to test the round number 1.30, but be careful guys, because it is quite extended to the downside, and we can see anytime sharp upside movement on the USD Canadian. If the crude oil simply goes down, USD Canadian is supposed to go up, because Canadian dollar is going to go down with the crude oil. In terms of trend, they're correlated, you know that very well, and that's why USD Canadian is a little bit tricky right now. USD Swiss almost tested 0.98, round numbers very well respected, 0.99 tested here, very quick decline 100 pips, and tested the next round number as support 0.98. I keep these levels on the USD Swiss. For now it's staying in the middle, so it's better to wait to see what's gonna happen. USD Japanese, definitely my favorite. We discussed this breakout 107.84, very clear price action, tested the resistance, went down to the support, after that slight recovery, and just very clear breakout. So simply could have had extracted from this 60-65 pips, and I think we're gonna see test today 107.84, and really depends how the price is gonna react around this level. Then we can start looking for the next shorting opportunities. I'm remaining bearish for sure. I'm bearish on the USD Japanese yen. So let's see what's gonna happen. It's Friday, a little bit tricky day. Be careful with your trades. Keep them, of course, keep them very limited. Be careful with the risk management. Good luck, have a very profitable Friday guys, and of course enjoy the weekend, have some party. Every trader should take a break. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course, thumbs up, comments below if you like us, share us on the social medias. Enjoy the weekend and have fun.